Welcome, dear students, to this fourth chart of the chapter on future time. In this one, we're going to talk about the fact that we can also use present progressive or the simple present to express future time. So we have seen that we can use will, or we can use be going to plus simple form of the main verb. Another possibility is that we can also use present progressive instead of will or instead of be going to, and we can also use the simple present instead of will or be going to express future time. So let's talk about the first one. Present progressive. uh, my wife has an appointment with a doctor. She is seeing Dr. North next Tuesday. My wife has an appointment with a doctor. She is seeing Dr. North next Tuesday. Okay? My wife has an appointment. So we're talking here about the future. And normally we can use will, we're going to, but here we can also use present progressive. She is seeing Dr. North next Tuesday. He is leaving at noon tomorrow. Present progressive. Okay? I am meeting a friend of mine after lunch. I am meeting a friend of mine. We are going to the mall. So all of these sentences, examples, we are using the present progressive to express future time. The present progressive may be used to express future time when the idea of the sentence concerns a planned event or a definite intention. So when we have a plan, a definite intention, prior plan, that is to say, you can use be going to as we have seen before, and also we can use present progressive. Okay? And finally, we can use the simple present to talk about future time. The museum opens at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Classes begin next week. John's plane arrives at 5 past 6 p.m. next Monday. We can use the simple present to talk about future time when we have scheduled, when we're talking about schedules, or when we are talking about timetables. For example, here we are talking about the opening of the museum. This goes according to a calendar, according to a timetable, according to a schedule. Classes begin next week. This also happens according to a calendar, a timetable, a schedule. John's plane arrives at 5 past 6, also happens according to a calendar, a timetable, or a schedule. So when we are expressing an idea in the future, that happens according to a plan, according to not a plan, according to a schedule, according to a timetable or a calendar, which is repeated every time, we can use the simple present as you have in these examples. Opens, begin, arrives instead of future simple. This simple present can also be used to express future time in a sentence concerning events that are on a definite schedule or a timetable. These sentences usually contain future time words. Only few verbs are used in this way. Only few words or verbs are used in this way as examples as open, close, begin, end, start, finish, arrive, leave, come, and return. And this is it for this chart. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next chart.